Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Marshawn and welcome back to another video. So unless you've been hiding under a rock, then you already know One Size dropped this new foundation. This is my second time trying to film this video, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because the first time I had the wrong shade. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was gonna need. It states it's supposed to be very, very, very full coverage. So if you're not a full coverage queen, go ahead and exit, babe, because I'm full glam girl, full coverage. So I'm always in full glam. It is currently 9:00 a.m. in the morning, and I'm trying to put this on as early as I can so I can wear it at least to like 3 or 4. This is a long wear, waterproof, sweat-proof foundation formula with only 16 ingredients that gives full coverage and maximum comfort to visibly blur and smooth without clogging pores. Now y'all know Patrick, so I just love. He just became an esthetician, so I know it's gonna be fire because not only is he caring about how we look, but he's caring about our skin and what's going into our skin. This is how the bottle looks. Very mattifying, y'all. Mattes are my favorite foundation. I love me a good matte. Matte just does the job for me. Like I said, I am a very full coverage queen, and if you don't like full coverage, I don't know what to tell you, honey. Just go on back to business now. Get on off my page. Over 40 shades. I have the shade Deep 25 Neutral. Go in with Secure the Blur as a primer. I just want my face to look very smooth, very Photoshop. Yeah, I want all of that. Let my primer really dry down. Alright, so my face is primed. So I am in the shade 25 Neutral. I was told you gotta really shake this up really well. Only video I watched was Patrick Stars. Okay, he said shake it up really well because it's a lot of ingredients that has to get in there. Oh, the color match is fire. Color match fire. Get my Morphe M439 brush. All my brushes are clean so we can get the full experience. Doesn't have a scent. I like that. No scent. Oh my. This is nice. This is nice. Oh yeah. This is nice. This is nice. I really like that it does not have a scent to it. It does not have a scent to it. It just smells like nothing. I really love that. I do not like scented products. I really love Huda Beauty products, but the scent, I cannot. I can't. Yup. Like the natural undertones, I just cannot get with golden undertones. I can't. It just seems like it's just a little bit too red for me. I really like how full coverage, but like it's buildable to full coverage, if it makes sense. Like you can really like just build it up. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in trash because it's not going back. I'm about to finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, y'all. It's cute. I love this. I love my makeup. I love it. Wow. Oh my god. So I did a little, like, y'all can just see like a little fast process stuff. I'm gonna have everything that I use linked down below. It's currently 11:25. I'm gonna try to keep this on to like 4 o'clock, but mind you, like, this is a whole full glam. I don't want to walk in a store like this. I probably, like, I don't know, try to dress down and just like go into stores and stuff. But this is how we look. She looks very photoshopped, girl. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'm gonna come back in a couple of hours to show you guys how I look. Until then, I'm gonna see you in a minute.
One eternity later.
Maybe I should move that. Okay guys, so this is a full wear test. It is currently 6:53. It's giving very much full glam still. Like, oily is right here around my T-zone area. That's common. I had on shades, Jeffrey Dahmer shades on, y'all. You can't even see the marks on my nose. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Patrick did his big one, and I knew he would. I really, really knew he would. Makeup on for 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Washed my car. I went to the grocery store. I sat at the bus stop. I went to the dollar store. We cut the grass. We cleaned the garage. Look at my face. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be amazing. I'm not lying. I knew it was. Do my makeup still look how I looked this morning?
Yeah.
Like, I still look how we went when we went to the car wash?
You look at the same.
I'm trying to tell them that I did the makeup at 9 o'clock this morning, and it still looked the same.
Yeah.
See? You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Y'all better get y'all some, because I like it.